gente! How's it going? My name is Aguilar, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Contra-Tiempo. Without further ado, ¡que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's set up with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Contra-Tiempo. So Contra-Tiempo means counter time. So now instead of going on the 1, we're going to start on the 8 to go on the 2 beat. So we landed 7. With that left leg, we're going to go 8. And now we start that 2 beat. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right. Left, right, slide, and right, left, slide. We're going to go back to tiempo, 6. Tap on that left leg on 8. Then somos uno, 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Let's try that again. Nice and slow. Contra-tiempo, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Back to tiempo, 6, 7, 8. Somos 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly counting. It's going to get really tricky because we're dancing on the 1, then we're going to be dancing contra-tiempo or counter time on the 2, and then back on the tiempo or back on the 1 again. The hands, though, will play a huge role in this so that we're not rushing the beat and we're actually feeling that nice little sway of Contra-Tiempo. Watch, if I go 1, 2, 3, I'm going to give you 2 options of what to do with the hands. Here we go. 2, 3, Contra-Tiempo. Option 1, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Option 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, back to tiempo, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Let's try some halftime music and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3, contra-tiempo. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, tiempo. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, double time. 1. Here we go. Contra-tiempo. 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4. Tiempo. 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6, contra-tiempo. 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, and 2, 3, tiempo. 6, 7, 8, 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude this for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, fun, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Aguilar. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.